old industry with a new twist. Self-storage meets the Internet of Things. Hong Kong entrepreneur Felix Wong created this fast-growing startup in Guangzhou, replacing conventional locks with mobile access. And business is on the up. With the city's property prices doubling in recent years, people and companies need cheaper places to put their stuff. A burgeoning class of small online retailers are also using them for last-mile deliveries. But much of the company's success has to do with geography.
All of our facility and equipment are all procured within Greater Bay region. There's many IoT hardware suppliers and tech providers in this region. So it's very crucial for our startup to have this kind of skeleton or this kind of backup resources within the region to have a higher successful rate of startup.
The company has expanded to 20 locations in Guangzhou and Shenzhen in 3 years, thanks to generous subsidies from the Hong Kong government and a slew of incentives here on the mainland. Felix works from this incubation base in Guangzhou. It's a one-stop shop for Hong Kong and Macao entrepreneurs looking to tap into a regional market of 70 million consumers.
New startups have to jump through a lot of hoops, from corporate tax and hiring to legal paperwork. Here we have professionals from the government to help them troubleshoot. We want to make sure their businesses can grow here in a way that is sustainable and healthy.
So what's in it for the mainland? Hong Kong's expertise in financing and conducting international business is a key advantage. Guangdong also wants to leverage Hong Kong's experience in research and education, especially when it comes to high-tech engineering. This university has been sowing the seeds for a rising advanced manufacturing sector. The university says it adds more than 10,000 recruits to the local engineering workforce every year, more than anywhere else in Guangdong.
To train innovators and visionaries that meet industry demands, we need to introduce innovative approaches. Our Robotics Academy is a great example. Our graduates are very well paid and well sought after. If we keep this up, Guangdong's future as a manufacturing powerhouse is guaranteed.
Felix, the future is where the market is. He encourages more people in Hong Kong to step out of their comfort zone to experience firsthand the full potential of China's economic growth. Hong Fei CGTN, Guangzhou.